crazy things. We're now leaving Borneo Jungle Lodge, heading back to our little airport for a flight back to KK, and then our farewell dinner this evening, and then flights galore tomorrow, but going home to be continued. We're still on the road going back. Still got a ways to go yet. Okay, we're going out to our plane. It's out here. We're going to get on board. Looks like a Mitsubishi, but I'm not really sure. Coming out here. So I'm getting on this plane right up here. Okay. There it is, blazing air. Getting around the cones. You always got to have cones. Cones are good around the plane here. I think it's the Mitsubishi I'm thinking here, but I'm not 100% sure. Better turn the camera off now for the way gotta get on board. So I'm on the plane, and this is an ATR 72-500. Yeah, I thought it might have been a Mitsubishi, but I think they stopped making those years ago. But an ATR, I'll have to look that one up and see what it's all about here. All right. The window's very foggy here, so you're not going to see a good image. The glass is not very clear, so that's the best I can do, people. You know, I'm doing my best here for everybody. I want to get some shots of the country, but they're all going to look hazy and foggy, but I'll try to bump it up in post. We're on the plane. I got my peeps in back of me there. They're waving to me there. Okay, alright. Got them there. There we go. We're all right here. We got the whole plane. Everybody's happy there and everything. So we're going to fly off. Okay.
Jika Anda memerlukan sebangkai mata, labui kami. Terima kasih.
Okay, we're off here. Kota Kinabalu. I don't know if that's our hotel over there or one of these up here. I don't know, but we're coming in for a landing here, and we're just going to have enough time to get our bags, get back to the hotel, and just make it to the cocktail party. And so I hope everything runs smooth. We get our bags quickly and everything moving ASAP. Let's see. Coming over the city, a lot of buildings here, a lot of buildings. They got a nice marina. All these look like apartment buildings, somewhat high rise. Look somewhat recently built too there. So yeah, I don't see anybody waving. So some of the older places on the water down there you can see. Looks like a mosque over there. Yeah, there you go. Some traffic there. Friday night traffic, rush hour traffic maybe, and a lot of the little normal homes here. So, and we're getting close to the airport, here, getting close, coming in here, we'll touch down pretty soon. I don't know what all these buildings are here, probably business offices or something right near the airport. Okay, there's the airport coming into view here. Yes, okay. Looks like they got some good roads up here, and yeah, still coming down, starting our flare, there we go. Okay, we have landed. Okay, Kota Kinabalu, Borneo. Kota Kinabalu. The plane is up here. We're coming down into the terminal. Next stop, hotel.